everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to do a bag review. I ended up pulling this out because if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'll leave across the screen. I pulled this bag out to take to the movies. I show you what bag I'm talking about. Y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button because it really helps out my channel. So lately on my channel, I have been showcasing a lot of Louis Vuitton and Gucci. That's not everybody's thing. So I was like, you know what, let me pull out my Marc Jacobs and quick review, because again, I know a lot of y'all take my recommendations into consideration when you're purchasing a bag. You know, I'm still loving my Marc Jacobs tote despite all the other unboxings. Why I'm sharing this here review, because I went out to the movies and I pulled this out. Take my Louis Vuitton Graceful, and I didn't want to take my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I knew I was carrying like snacks and waters, and I don't know, I just don't want it to happen with those bags. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and put them to the side and pull out my ride or dies. And this here is a ride or die bag for me. I love this here bag. I've been looking at other totes, and I will probably pop up a picture and show you what I'm looking at. It is I think it's a mini tote. This here is not a mini. This here is the small. And y'all, when I tell you this bag I love so much. Don't get me wrong, I love my luxury items, but I still have, my heart still goes to Marc Jacobs. Like I'm obsessed over the Marc Jacobs totes. Tote you can toss and throw around, and this still is going to look good. Insert a picture of me wearing this particular tote. This tote because, like I said, it's carefree. I don't have to worry about anything or whatever. Not that I care that this get messed up, but it's just the way it's made. You don't have to worry about too much like my other bags. And here on the front it says the tote bag Marc Jacobs. And here on the back it has the Marc Jacobs style tote, location NYC, the year 1984, the year my brother was born. If I didn't mention, it do come with a strap. I didn't use the strap yesterday because I just didn't need to. To the movies, I did go out to a few stores. I did vlog that particular day, so I will insert that vlog up top, because I went to TJ Maxx / Home Goods, which has a runway. They're like all luxury things for the low. Like y'all gotta watch that video, because when I tell you they had some badass Fendi boots in at that location, oh my goodness. Like if I was going somewhere like to a ski resort, I definitely would have purchased those Fendi boots. But I just feel like, you know, I don't go nowhere like that often. But y'all, them Fendi boots were hot. I don't know the original price because they were $1,000. Show you what I have in here. I didn't bring everything that I normally carry, but I just grabbed some stuff. I have tissues because my nose always run when I'm wearing a face mask. I do have a mirror. And what else I have in here? I have my mail that I grabbed from the mailbox on the way to the movies. My Louis Vuitton, what is this? Card case or wallet. My other Louis Vuitton wallet. Got my agenda just to have. The red pen back in here. But yeah, I'm so glad I end up purchasing the inserts for this, because now I use it a little more. My iPhone, I have the 12 Pro Max, and I always mention the size phone just so y'all know for reference how big it is. Come out with a new one because I want the new phone. I want the new phone. I have my keys, some hand sanitizer. I'll have my face mask. I have a bunch of papers. Oh, and I have some gloves because for some reason Georgia wants to be cold like back home. So I have some gloves here. With these here gloves, I can't use my iPhone, so I may try and purchase like some hand gloves that you can still use a device, you know, like your electronic devices, because with this I can't use them, so I'm constantly pulling them off, and it's sometimes too cold to be pulling them off. I have my movie ticket and my Zaxby stuff. Just say, I'm telling you, If y'all have a tote, let them know down below how much y'all love y'all totes, because y'all, I still love my tote, y'all. So don't think just because Miss Tamika doing all those other unboxes, she don't love her Marc Jacob, because I still love my Marc Jacob, y'all. I told y'all I haven't even taken the tag off of this as of yet. I just feel like because it's a really nice thick tag, so I haven't taken it off. Pocket, which I have my AirPods in. I have 2 patch pockets here. Bag can fit a lot. Would have been one of the bags I would have used for a baby bag back in the day, like when my kids were little, because you know, back then when I had, especially my oldest son, like baby bags looked like baby bags back then. Like I think when I had my daughter, they started looking more like purses and backpacks and things. This was out back in the day when I had my oldest son. I wouldn't have had no baby bag. I would have threw all his things in here, like his bottles, diapers, and change of clothes. I would have put all that in here, y'all. And let me tell you, it fits everything. One of those bags you could carry to the airport. Because like I told y'all, when I carried that Never Full, back when I went to visit the grandkids and my kids, that bag dug in my skin, dug in my shoulder so bad. I was like, never again. That's why I'm always traveling with my Longchamp bag. I am looking to purchase another one your size, because like I said, I love, that's my go-to bag when I travel, because when I travel, and that's like a carry-on for me, I like to stick a lot of stuff in that bag, so I do overstuff it. And with those particular straps, it don't bother me at all. And I did see this in a bigger size, so I could buy the bigger size in this and use that as a travel bag. But kids and my oldest son and his family is not in the States anymore. I don't go to PA like I used to, because he's over in Saudi Arabia. Get a chance to go to PA as often, so that's why I really wasn't pushing to purchase a new travel bag. And I'm gonna look to purchase either the big version of this or the bigger version, the big version but a different style of the Longchamp, because that particular TJ Maxx that I go to, they had a whole lot of Longchamps in there, and I didn't pay attention to them because I really wasn't looking to purchase any. That vlog, I think I showed like a small one, that the small one is what I carry to work. It's $50, but again, I just wasn't looking to repurchase like a new Longchamp right now. Decide to purchase anything, it would be another Marc Jacob tote. Like I said, I'm looking for the mini or the small. The small is a good size bag. The mini is like a everyday type of bag. This is an everyday type of bag too. This one is one of those bags you can carry to the office. You can throw your iPad, you can throw your computer. Like let's just say you want to edit videos and you want to go to a coffee shop, you can put your tablet, your computer, you could put all your essentials in here. Like you have your zipper pull here, which I usually tuck down in this. This is what I think that's for. I could be wrong. Like I said, most likely when I carry this, I usually carry it like in the crook of my arm or handheld like so. You can carry it crossbody. And sometimes I do carry it crossbody, like if I'm out shopping and, you know, I just want to keep it, like if I'm outlet shopping, that's when I carry this crossbody. But if I'm like going to TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I normally stick it in the cart and just attach it with the kid strap, so zipper the bag. Just so even though it's connected to the cart, somebody can dig in it. So my daughter always like, Mom, you always have your bags unzippered. I do. I will say that I am guilty for that. But when I strap it to the cart, of course I have to make sure it's zippered, because y'all, people are crazy nowadays. Just saying, I love my Marc Jacobs. Like if y'all in the market for one, get it. I will link a few down below, or I'll just link one down below, and it'll give you like a whole, it'll give you all different colors. This one is beautiful in leather. If you don't want canvas and you like, oh Miss Tamika, I want to be a little extra, get the leather one. The leather one is really nice. I did unbox the leather. I will insert that somewhere up in the cards. I did return it because I think that was the time when I got one of my new Louis Vuitton or Gucci bags, and I just felt like I didn't need to keep it if I wasn't going to use it. It is beautiful. And then I had got the one that looked like it was a pinkish color. I know that's not the color, I'm not sure the correct name, but it was like a pinkish color. Again, I'll try and insert a picture if that color is still available. Some really nice totes. Now I will say I have been checking online for sales. These haven't been on sale. Now a lot of other Marc Jacob items been on sale, but not the totes, probably because they're still popping. Like, they've been coming out with so many different styles. Like, someone inboxed me on Instagram and was like, Miss Tamika, did you see the denim? And I'm like, why you show me that? Because I was already about to purchase one because it was cute. They were cute. Like, y'all, I'm like, nah, because they come in so many different colors, and I'm that type of person to buy the same with different colors far as luxury items. Now, you'll never catch me buying 5 Neverfulls. I would have preferred to purchase the Damier Bean in my Neverfull, but I don't see me purchasing every different color. Not in luxury, but far as Marc Jacob, I have purchased different colors in these particular bags. Like, I have the yellow and I also have the black. Wore this bag. I wore a red Christmas sweater, and I did vlog that. I'm not going to insert that because it's been a while, but I wore this red sweater and the whole back of this bag was red. And I was like, oh my gosh. But I did take it home and I took my lint brush and it all came off. So you can't even see where the red was at. But y'all, I almost died because I'm like... And I did have the teddy tote, and I had liked the teddy tote a whole lot. But y'all, I wore that bag one time. I had got a lot of compliments on that bag. I had people stopping me at the mall like, how did you get that bag? It's sold out, blah blah blah. Came home and saw the back of it was full of color transfer. I was like, nope, I can't do it. I can't. And Marc Jacobs return policy was amazing because I was able to return the bag, because I think that bag was like $250 or $300. Like, I'm not gonna do this with that bag. I just ended up sending it back. But if I do ever repurchase a teddy tote, most likely be the black one, because that teddy tote was beautiful, you all. It was so cute. So I like the teddy tote, but I just wouldn't get the light color in the teddy tote. So if y'all looking at the teddy tote, I highly recommend the teddy tote. I just, for me, wouldn't get the light color. It may just be me with the whole bad luck with the color transfer, because a lady came into Sephora at a Neverfull in the light print of the Damier Bean, like white and brown print. She has small kids, and I was like, and she had on jeans. Any issues with color transfer? She was like, no. And she showed me her bag. So I'm like, is it me? The clothes I'm wearing, like, how other people can have these particular bags and don't experience color transfer, and here I do. So it may be the clothes I wear. I don't know, but I'm just like, damn, how she didn't get no color transfer on her bag, but I got color transfer on my leather Louis Vuitton in Turtle Dove. I think that's the color, that backpack. My clothes, y'all, I'm saying it just might be my clothes that I'm wearing. I just had to let y'all know your girl is still loving her Marc Jacob tote, y'all. I still highly recommend her. Go ahead and put the stuff back in here video, because most likely I'll be putting her back up and going back to my work bag, because like I said, the only time I wear my bags is when I go out. I don't wear my bags to work. Even though I have a locker, I just don't. Like, if I worked at a sit down office type of job, I probably would, but I'm not throwing my bags in my locker. And to let you know, I am still loving this beautiful Marc Jacob tote. So if you on the fence and you're not sure, Miss Tamika say go get it, girl. I'm telling you, you will love it. If you have a Marc Jacob outlet, go to the outlets, because you can buy straps like half off at the outlets. I haven't purchased a strap yet because I haven't been wearing my bags as much, but I am looking to purchase one, at least one, because I can switch them out with my other bags. That's why if I purchase a strap, I want to make sure it goes with the black and the yellow and this, just in case you wanted to know a good place to buy straps and not pay that. I think some of them like $98. Like, if you go to the outlets, you'll pay half off. If in Georgia, go to the outlets, the one on 400. They have a Marc Jacobs outlet, and I'm telling you, go in there and grab you a strap. If you ever catch these bags on sale, I will insert I will try and share on Instagram or my community tab on YouTube. This was a really quick video on my Jacob small tote. I just wanted to let y'all know I am still loving her. All my bags are her. So I just wanted to let y'all know I am still loving her. I highly recommend this bag to anyone that's looking for a everyday type of bag. I highly recommend the mini and the small. I haven't purchased the large, so I can't speak on the large. The large wouldn't be an everyday type of bag. It would be more so of a travel bag. Being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.